Hello, my name is Jeff Blackburn. We buy any house as is. I'm going to walk you through the house that we bought. So we clean up the house and I'm going to, let you see how it looks like. And I'm sure that for those who remember, the first video that we did, it was a complete mess. So this is the first unit. Is it 2 bedrooms, 1 bath? Is a little bit dark here. Let's go to the second unit. It's the same configuration as the first floor. This is the entrance of the second floor. So you have a bedroom here. Let's go to the attic. So homeowner, if you have a house that you want to get rid of, that is a burdensome, give us a call or visit our website. We'll be more than happy to assist you and make you a solid and fair cash offer. Thank you.